Watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video to help you solve your problem step by step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into a Chase online banking account, alright? So if you guys have an online banking account of Chase, you can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you, so you guys can log into your account and do whichever stuff or whatever stuff you want to do, alright? So just follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to search for chase.com. So this is the official website of Chase, so search for it. And sometimes the website doesn't load up. If that's the case, then you just need to open a VPN and connect to USA. Sometimes the website doesn't work outside USA, but most of the time it does. But in your case, if it doesn't load up, make sure to download a VPN and connect to USA. Alright, after you do that, it's gonna bring you to this page. Over here you need to click on sign in, and it's gonna take you to the login page. Now once you click on sign in, wait for some time. And once you're over here, you just need to enter your username over here. After you enter your username over here, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account over here, click on sign in. And if the username and password entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Chase bank account, alright? It's that simple. And if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot username/password to recover your username or password. If you want to use your token to log in into your Chase bank account, you can tick mark use token and enter your token number over here to log in into your Chase bank account using token as well, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a Chase online banking account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. And I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.